So right now we're getting blasted with this, what I guess I'd consider a true blizzard. And a couple things I just wanted to look at here is my tower. And I've been seeing some things on YouTube about people that are putting up towers. And that's a BX series tower. It's 84 feet tall. And I'd like to go over to the side here and show you, but the snow is a little deep. And so this is our blizzard right now here in northern Michigan. And at times the wind has been coming up real good. You know, for some reason I'll say these phones don't give it justice. I'm looking at the screen and I can see things pretty clearly. But that's an RV park there where those tall trees are there on the other side of the creek there at the end of the street. And you know, that's 100, 200 feet away those trees are, and they're pretty obscured right now. And so, but a few hours ago we didn't have any snow on the ground, and I think we picked up probably 2.5, 3 inches with it blowing and drifting. It's drifting quite a bit in spots here. So this is it. We're getting bombed, and it's supposed to be this way for the rest of the night. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning. We're going to start posting more videos again on some things, and whoa, just heard something pop. Something. Not sure what that was. At times it doesn't look too bad, but other times it sure does. So, alright, YouTube. Peace.